Now we are going to the second part. Now let's discuss what is a beat reporting in the role of a reporter and what are the required qualities of a reporter that he or she should possess. Now here we are going to discuss broadly what is a beat, why a beat reporting is required, and what are the qualities that a reporter should equip to undergo such kind of beat reporting. Sometimes a reporter is assigned to do a beat reporting. Before discussing various beats, what are the functions of reporter in a beat reporting? It is essential to understand about beat reporting. A reporter is an asset to a newspaper in many respects. He or she could be a reporter in the field of politics, health, crime, business, entertainment, sports and lifestyle. This is called beat reporting. Generally, a beat reporter attempts to establish contacts with sources by paying several visits. It also develops mutual trust and friendship between reporters and the sources. Sources remain important in reporting any events and disseminating the information. They regularly are in touch with sources through calls, visits, and email sources for producing or procuring information. By getting a beat from the editor, a reporter can execute his or her role effectively. Also, it rules out any overlapping stories in the newsroom of a newspaper. Moreover, such kind of reporting enables a reporter to provide greater insight and commentary write-ups apart from disseminating the information. This is one of the basic traits of a reporter who reports on a specific beat. Before going to discuss various beats like political reporting, entertainment reporting or crime reporting, as of now we have discussed what is a beat, why a beat or why the beat reporting is required. So these are the essential qualities that a reporter should be equipped, should have the essential qualities in a given newspaper. Let's first discuss political reporting. Before understanding the role and responsibilities of reporter on political reporting, it is essential to know what is political reporting all about. Such kind of reporting is all about the coverage of politics. It also covers the statements of government machineries to politicians or officials. A reporter working on the political beat in particular or media in general provides an interface between the citizens and the government on democracy and political matters. A reporter keeps on covering the prospect and problems during and after the polls. It accumulates and molds the public opinion on numerous aspects. Reporters attempt to infuse the sense of media literacy among the citizens. There is no doubt that a reporter who works on the beat of political reporting tries to mold the public opinion for the greater interest of people. If it is India, it could be the better interest of safeguarding the interest of democratic norms. While discussing political reporting, it remains essential to quote Irv Champon, who states, "The people of Iowa are truly nice people, nice to strangers, nice even to reporters. It's just that every 4 years they vote in strange ways, as often as not for candidates that fall by the wayside soon after their first in their nation causes. And every 4 years, the snow flies, politicians who would be president come storming in with reports in their wake." But but generally, what happens in reality for the reporters who works in a newspaper, they face a lot of challenges, difficulties while while performing this kind of reporting for their newspapers. They often threatened and they also feel the severity of defamation often in their reporting life for a newspaper. After political reporting, let's report on crime reporting. After political reporting, let's discuss how a beat on crime reporting can be accomplished. Since crime has an ample amount of readers, the coverage on such events remain important and cannot be avoided. At the same time, much care has to be exercised on the part of crime reporter to cover any event of crime in nature. For such kind of reporting, the reporter needs to develop numerous contacts. However, at the same time, the reporter must have to protect their sources, failing to which sources will be in trouble. As a result, it will be difficult for the reporters to get information for filing any crime stories. The contacts with the police, especially the local police, remain very indispensable for crime reporting, as this could be authentic to file a story. However, regular contacts the police without any other background activity may not sufficiently face to file a story. Besides, reporters should regularly attend press conferences, should be very vigilant on the crime reports and development on crime. However, regular contacts with the police without any other background activity may not sufficiently fetch to file a news story. After crime reporting, let's report on business reporting. Now we have finished how to report or crime reporting. Now we are going to discuss a bit on business reporting. We should understand how this bit can be reported for the audience. Business reporting is all about the coverage of business activities of companies or firms. It includes the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It also covers taxation, fiscal policy, budget, and the like. Special pages are dedicated in a newspaper for the coverage of business activities. Generally, the reporters follow various reports of formal business, informative business, and evaluative to understand the report on companies. Therefore, reporters are required to develop certain skills to understand, report, and disseminate information to the readers through newspapers. Just like reporting on political, crime, and business, sometimes a reporter gets the beat of lifestyle reporting, sports reporting, and civic reporting. So, as you know that there are several types of beat reporting that could be uh, politics, economic, business, crime, lifestyle, sports. So, these are the major beats that a reporter in a newspaper generally goes for to report for the sake of readers. So now discuss certain general qualities of reporter who works on newspaper. Now this is a time to understand what are the basic qualities of reporter one should possess who are working in a newspaper. General qualities of a reporter. A reporter from a newspaper possesses certain skills of news writing. He or she stresses on four factors: facts, context, impact, and emotion while writing news reports. Firstly, if you are writing a story, news piece should be factual, not opinionated. Readers want the facts, not the views or opinion from the news story. Secondly, reflecting the element of context, news story becomes useful for the readers. It ultimately tells about the particular news story which is interesting to a community, state, or country. Context entails the situations and settings of the facts presented in a news piece. The element of impact describes why the readers will read about a news story. What will happen if a particular news story is carried in a newspaper? How will the citizen react? Will the public policy be influenced? All these questions can be answered in a news story. Lastly, the elements of emotion creates a feeling among the readers to act upon. However, at the same time, news story should be factual and free from personal opinion and biasness. These aspects that a professional reporter should keep in mind while reporting various events for his or her newspaper. So we came to know that our news piece, when a reporter is trying to report for his or her newspaper, that should be free from personal biasness, that should be based on facts, not views. It should not reflect a person's or news organization's opinion. Now discuss the required writing skills of a reporter. Now this is a time to understand and to discuss what could be the level of writing skills that a reporter should possess. A reporter holds writing abilities of news pieces. Of course, certain reporters are skilled in particular beats. They are skilled in writing news stories and features for newspapers. While writing news stories, a reporters should follow the following instructions. Try to tell the news story like a storyteller. Try to be clear and succinct in writing. Provide the required amount of information. Furnish background information if the news story demands so. Apply the inverted pyramid Style of news writing. Try not to use long or complex words. There is no need to flaunt difficult words to the readers through news pieces. Use short sentences for the good acceptance of the readers. Do not use too much of commas. The paragraphs used in the news should be small. Each paragraph should be different and demarcated from others on the lines of ideas and concepts. The preceding and succeeding paragraphs should be logically placed in accordance with the current paragraph. Always maintain the sequence and continuity in a news story. Always remind the readers what you are thinking to tell. It is advisable not to use more prepositional phrases than the requirement in a news story. Writing news pieces apply active voice in the narrative. The active voice is more appealing to the readers, leaving more impact in society. Writing a good lead remains an essential aspect of news writing. Taking journalistic interviews is part and parcel of a reporter. Suffice to say, facts and statements coming from interviews are part of news stories. It requires good amount of preparation to conduct an effective interview. The time has come now to understand how a journalistic interviews can be well taken. What are the precautions has to be taken? What are the arrangements has to be done before taking any journalistic interview? Find out the questions required for the news story in a sequence. The sequence of these questions is a must. One should not throw the research persons with superfluous questions. The process of the interview should be natural. Listen carefully to the resource person. You should utmost accommodate the resource person in the process of interview. Try to describe the rules of the interview. It would help if you didn't hide anything to the resource person. Conducting research is required for executing a good interview. Be polite while posing questions on the given subject. Do not throw questions one after one. Execute the interview just like a conversation. Wait for the answer before asking the next question. Being patient is the key. Think carefully about the medium you are using for the interview. The language should be acceptable to the resource person. Try to keep the control of the conversation when the interview is on. Ask good questions. Try to bring command on your subject. Be respectful while questioning the resource person. While taking the interview, you are required to take notes or record the conversation. However, do not disclose to the public if there is no requirement. Try to execute the entire process of interview in an organized and in an amicable manner, so that there won't be any hiccups. You are going to troublesome further. The above mentioned guidelines that a reporter must adhere while taking any journalistic interview for this newspaper. These are the major precautions and guidelines that a reporter should be very conscious and very organized, before or during or after, which really pertains to taking any sort of journalistic interviews.